Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Still searching for a last-minute gift? 23&Me, the pioneer in the business of home DNA kits, is still offering discounts on its website. They can either deliver Ancestry results for $69 or Ancestry plus Health for $139 at the discounted prices. Interesting, fun, and potentially life-saving in some instances. 23&Me's Juliana Citron says the process using saliva is simple.
You send your sample to our lab, and within 2 to 4 weeks, you receive your results within your secure online account.
And with new DNA relatives always being discovered, along with new DNA health information, it's the gift that keeps on giving. The discounted pricing, by the way, is set to expire December 25th. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. Listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.